Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 16 Plant and Animal Hormone. Last video, the same unit, we saw animal hormone, abscisic acid and ethylene. In this video, we are going to see animal hormone in that endocrine glands. Human endocrine glands, in that pineal gland and pituitary gland. Human endocrine gland possess versatile communication to coordinate biological function. Two kinds of glands are there. One is exocrine. The another one is endocrine. Exocrine glands is not in exocrine glands have specific duct. Example, salivary glands, mammary gland and sweat gland. Duct means tube-like structure. Example, arteries and veins in blood, circulatory system. Exocrine gland. Then another one is endocrine glands. It's not possess any duct, tube-like structure. Endocrine glands are found different region in the body as well as animals and human beings. These glands are called ductless glands. It secretes hormone is minute quantities. These secretion diffuse into the blood stream and are carried to the distinct part of the body where the organ has to act. Specific organ, which organ is referred to target organ. The hormones where it has to work, that place, that organ is called target organ. The branch of biology which deals with the study of endocrine glands is known as endocrinology. Endocrinology. Thomas Addison is known as father of endocrinology. English physician Baylis and Sterling, the coin name hormone 1909, the first discovered by the hormone secreting. Human endocrine glands in the hypothalamus in the brain, near the pituitary glands are there. Next, pineal gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, placenta, testes in man, ovary in female, then thymus gland. These are the glands present in human body. In this video, let's see only two glands. One is pineal gland, another one is pituitary gland. Pineal gland. Pineal gland possesses near the brain. Melatonin, this gland is secrete melatonin. This known as time messenger. It signals nighttime information throughout the body. Exposure to the light at night, especially short wavelength light, can decrease melatonin production, interpreting sleep. Suppression of melatonin has been implicated in sleep disturbance and related metabolic disorder. Pineal gland is not working, the person cannot sleep deeply. Sleep disturbance will be there. Next gland, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is or hypophysis. Pituitary gland otherwise called hypophysis. P-shaped. P means you know in Tamil patani. P-shaped gland is located in the base of midbrain, hypothalamus by a pituitary stalk. The pituitary is two lobes are present. One is anterior pituitary lobe, posterior pituitary lobe. These two lobes are connected per intermedia. The adenohypophysis is hormone secreted. Let's see. The pituitary gland regulates all the endocrines, so the pituitary gland is called master gland. First, growth hormone. The pituitary gland secretes 5 types of hormone. First one, growth hormone. It promotes the development and enlargement of all tissues in the body. It stimulates the growth of muscles, cartilage, long bones. It controls and cell metabolism. It hormone is not secreted properly. Improper secretion. First one, dwarfism is not secreted properly in the children. Growth hormone in children. The characteristics features are stunted growth, delayed skeletal formation, and mental disability. Mental disability, stunted growth, delayed skeletal formation. So the person is look dwarfism. Next, gigantism. Over secretion of growth hormone leads to gigantism in children. The characteristics: overgrowth of all body tissue and organ. Individual attain abnormal increase in height. Abnormal increase in height. Acromegaly is excess secretion of growth hormone in adult may leads to abnormal enlargement of head, face, hand and feet. So the person is not look handsome. So this disease is called acromegaly. Next, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. This hormone stimulates the thyroid gland. Thyroid coordinate its activity and hormone secretion of thyroid. So thyroid stimulating hormone. This next, adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. This hormone stimulates the adrenal gland for production of hormones. It also influences protein synthesis in the adrenal cortex. Protein synthesis in the adrenal cortex. Next hormone, gonadotrophic hormone. Gonads means male and female reproductive organ together is called gonads. Gonads stimulating hormone, gonadotrophic hormone. First one, follicle stimulating hormone FSH. In male, it stimulates the germinal epithelium of testes and formation of sperms. In female, it initiates growth of ovarian follicle and aids development in ovary. This is follicle stimulating hormone. Next one, luteinizing hormone LH. In male, it promotes the Leydig cells of testes to secrete male sex hormones. In female, it causes ovulation, a rupture of mature Graafian follicle, responsible for the development of corpus luteum and protection of female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. The luteinizing hormone, next, prolactin PRL. It also called lactogenic hormone. This hormone initiate development of mammary gland during pregnancy and stimulating production of milk after childbirth. The adenohypophysis of pituitary gland secrete 5 hormone. Next, neurohypophysis of pituitary posterior lobe. These hormones secrete vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. These pituitary neurohypophysis secrete vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. In this, kidney tubules it reabsorption of water. It reduces loss of water through the urine and hence the name antidiuretic hormone. The deficiency of ADH reduces reabsorption of water and causes increased urine output, polyuria. Deficiency disorder is called diabetes insipidus. Next hormone, oxytocin. It helps contraction of smooth muscles of uterus at the time of childbirth. milk ejection from the mammary gland after childbirth. Thank you. Thank you, children.